In this video, we are going to see how you can use ChatGPT in order to, let's say, make your support more flexible. So here's the thing, is that when you are a Matomo consultant, you are receiving some questions, requests from different channels. It can be LinkedIn, it can be straight email, it can be on social networks, can be from different profiles. So to say they have different position, different knowledge about Matomo. They talk in different languages. And I have to say that when we receive this information, we are kind of struggling in order to, let's say, understand what the person wants. So it's always a headache to read a message, even if this one is kind of clear. But I received these messages some months ago, so my brain needed to process it in order to find an answer about it. And in fact, you can use ChatGPT to make your work better. So in fact, you can ask ChatGPT to write it as a good ticket. So to say, to clearly express the issue which is faced by the person, and then maybe already to suggest a solution. Then what I'm struggling with on each time is about the translation. So when it's coming from Germany or when it's coming from Norway or whatever other country, I always need to go and ask for translation. So why not asking it at the same time as I'm asking the proofread of the ticket? Sometimes I cannot answer to the ticket straight away because I need more information. So it's like I need to read the stuff, and then I try to be within the shoes of my speaker, and then I need to list the different questions, whereas I could ask it straight away. So here I'm asking to ChatGPT, okay, if this question is not clear, then just write me an answer which asks for more additional question. Some people may just give me, let's say, like some nice feedback, and it's not a question or it's not an emergency, whereas some people are really in a hurry. So I would be interested in knowing if it's as an emergency or not. Would like to know if the people are angry. Sometimes they write to me about a video and they are kind of angry that the video is of bad quality or anything like that. So that's interesting for me to know about how they feel. Indicate me the difficulty to answer to this message, because if it's a difficult one, I will probably already have a look at my network in order to see who can answer it. If it's me that it's super simple to answer, I can already trust the message that ChatGPT is going to tell me. And then I'm going to ask it to tell me what this message is about. If it's a question which is mostly about marketing, communication, analytics, need development, and I say, if you are sure of your answer, just provide me with an answer. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm just going to put it in ChatGPT and see what it comes out. Of course, I need to study the answer cautiously because, well, we never know. I mean, maybe ChatGPT is wrong. It happens sometimes. So let's see what is the answer which is coming from it. So the message is already in English and provide enough information to write a ticket based on the, okay, so that's great. So let's imagine now that I'm reading it. Integration of utilizing of Google Analytics campaign in Matomo. So here, just by reading the title, I already know the answer. This is a question dealing with analytics, so I already know that that's my field of expertise. Okay, detected URL tag, blah, blah, blah. Okay, action required, verify the current integration, blah, 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 blah. Okay, emergency level 1, so I know that I don't need to deal with this straight away. I mean, this person's not going to die if I don't answer to him right away. Positiveness of the message, the person is not insulting me. And difficulty to answer is 2, which is great because it means that I probably just need to read the answer. So, dear someone, thank you for your message. Okay. We acknowledge your insight into Matomo uses, UTM campaign, UTM source, UTM term, parameters. Currently reviewing on to ensure that these are tracked effectively and exploring any potential that could be made to this feature will also ensure. Yeah, so here I would say the issue that I have is that it consider me we, whereas it's more like I. So I think here the answer is not that bad. but I would like it to more express it, more like there's a conversion method in Matomo. So take this answer, and highlight that Matomo will convert UTM into MTM parameters automatically. Here I can definitely make it faster just by talking to ChatGPT. Okay. So here I should have told him instead of we say I. Okay. And now I have the good, let's say the good description. So I will maybe take it even better. So instead of we say hi, and that's important, give at least one specific example of a URL. And let's see if he's smart enough in order to make it. Okay, so it looks good. Okay, so this is exactly what I was expecting. It automatically converts UTM parameters into MTM parameters. And now I have the good explanation. And this is, I think, almost good to go. So let's see if he's getting it right. It does. So that's it. Now I can just copy and paste the answer, and I can set it. If it was, of course, more complicated, I will have seen it straight away, difficulty level, and as a result, I could have pinged one of my techie friends.